Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and will also share with you the referral job opportunities. Now before we move ahead, let me tell you about an interesting aspect. So if you want to cover automation testing with a real-time project, and if you are interested in learning automation testing or transitioning from manual testing to automation testing, then you can avail this particular course. So in this course, we have covered the automation testing with the real-time project with an real-time website that you can open in your laptop, in your mobile phones, and you can automate them. So you would be able to get an exposure to the hybrid automation framework, which includes BDD, Cucumber, Page Object Model, as well as TestNG, the data-driven approach. So a lot many things are covered over here. Plus, if you're looking for mock interviews, or if you're looking for any kind of career guidance or ATS-friendly resume template, everything would be covered here, right? So let's look into the job opportunities now. So the first job opportunity is for a software testing intern. So MobiCloud Technologies is looking for a motivated software testing intern to join the team, and the location is Pune, and the duration is 6 months. The stipend would be 9,000 per month. So this would be the stipend, and you can send your resume to this particular email address itself, right? With the subject line applying for software testing intern. Then there's a requirement for freshers, again 0 to 6 months. This is with the help with this particular company, Grevon Technologies. They are hiring candidates with 0 to 6 months of experience for the position of iOS developer, Android developer, PHP developer, web designer, and eligibility is fresher to 6 months. So only local candidates can apply here. Work mode is on site. So interested candidates can DM, or they can apply to this particular email address with their resume. These are the contact details. Then there's a requirement for Java developer, again fresher. So the requirements is for an on-site role in Jaipur, and the requirements are for Java, Spring Boot. Education required is BCA, BTech, MCA. Passed out years is 2022 to 2024. Location is Jaipur. It is work from office, and candidate preference is Rajasthan-based candidates. So if you're interested, you can send your CV to this particular email address. Then Siemens is looking to hire the interns for the foundational technologies. So Siemens is looking to hire interns for various skill set. One is LLM engineering and agentic AI development, then agentic workflow design, inference engineering, data science, then software engineers. So time frame is someone you can apply and join by January, February 26, or yeah, they can join by January or in February to June or till July 26. So location is Bangalore, and you can drop a comment mentioning your profile of interest with the link to your resume, and you have to drop this link to this particular post. So what I have done is, there is a highly reputed professional who is working from Siemens who has posted this particular thing. So I have put the post link here. So what you need to do is, you need to navigate to this particular link and put your resume link and your details in the first comment of this particular post itself. I'll be putting all these links in the videos comments as well. Then EPAM company is looking for Java automation testers to join the team, and they have a face-to-face interview drive at Pune location on 10th of January. So this is nearby Pune itself. And mandatory skill sets that they are looking is for Java, UI automation with Selenium, API automation with REST Assured, Jenkins, design patterns, CI/CD, SQL, SDLC methodologies. Work location is Pune itself. Face-to-face interview location would be Karadi, and the date of interview is 10th of January. That is next week itself. Experience required is 6 to 15 years, immediate to 60 days of notice period required. So if you have a notice period of 60 days, still you can apply, and you can share your updated profile at this email address, and you need to include the following details: total years of experience, relevant experience in REST Assured, relevant experience in Jenkins, notice period, current CTC, expected CTC. Then there's a requirement for freshers, manual tester, QA engineer, 0 to 2 years, and the location is Pune. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. and manual testing skill set is required with respect to test case creation, execution, defect tracking, basic SQL and database knowledge, understanding of SDLC, STLC. Good to have agile experience, exposure to automation concepts would be good things. Then there is a hiring for QA SDET opportunities at Morgan Stanley Company. So they have got multiple openings for experienced QA SDET engineers, and this is with respect to experience of 5 to 11 years. Location is Bangalore. Tech stack is Java, Selenium, mobile testing, API testing, test automation frameworks. Good to have is financial services, banking domain experience. So here are the links for the job IDs. What I'll do is I'll share this link in the first comment of the video. Then Infosys company is hiring for automation testing role for Indore based location. So you can share your updated resume to this email address. Okay. So if you have already appeared in an interview within the last 6 months, you cannot apply. If you're referred by anyone else in last 6 months, you cannot apply. So you need to apply if only you have not applied in the last 6 months, right? So don't apply if you have created any profile in Infosys portal by yourself or you're referred by anyone else as well. Okay. And this is the criteria 60% throughout and should be BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech. Experience required is 3 to 10 years. Location is Indore. So you need to share your resume with all these details. Technology name with referral code, full name, email and contact details, current organization, date of birth, total experience, present location, primary skill. So all of these details are required. Right. So these are the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And what I will do is I'll also share the post with you that you can apply for within the Infosys company. Let me show you that post. Okay. So these are the details that they are actually looking for, right? Playwright with TypeScript or Selenium with Python, ETL testing, Tosca automation, performance testing, Java, SDET, and DevOps. So these days, every company is looking for either Selenium or Playwright. So prefer going for that. And these are the skill set: automated testing, technology, Java, and UI and markup language. So these are the opportunities that are there in the Infosys company. So you can apply for these particular companies today itself, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.